Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Word Chapter 4 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. If you need help in this exam and if you want to read for this complete MyLab IT course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp number and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. And if you want to read for this complete course, I will hand out your complete course. You will be free from this course. If you are busy within your job or other activities, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I will do your all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft Access, all Microsoft PowerPoint, and complete my lab IT course with final exam. So please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will provide you A plus grade. So we will click on Open Pearson. And if you need help in other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Writing, Medical, and many more online courses, I will handle your complete course. You will be free from this course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all cumulative assessment, all capstone, and final exam with A plus grade. So we will click on Word Chapter 4 Simulation Exam and we will click on Start button. Our exam will be start right now. So we will click on Launch button. Okay, really sorry, my connection is out right now. So question number 1 is that select all document text, change the paragraph spacing before to 0 point and the spacing after to 0 point. First we will select all document text. We will go to the home tab in the paragraph dialog box and we will go to the line spacing before and after is 0 point. After is 0 point, click on OK. So in the paragraph that begin an article in a recent issue of click before the ending period of the first sentence and insert a new source from a journal article. Enter HODME as the author and then press tab. So in the paragraph that begin an article in a recent issue, so an article in recent issue of click here ending period at the first sentence and insert a new source from a journal article. Enter HODME as the author and the press tab. The citation will, we will go to the references tab. In the citation and bibliography group, we will click on insert citation, click on add new source button. So the type of source is journal article. So author is HODME. HODME. Okay, insert a citation after the quotation mark and before the period in the sentence in the second paragraph on page 1 that ends is more task oriented. Select the HO source. Insert a citation after the quotation mark and before the period in the sentence second paragraph on page 1 that end in more task oriented. Okay, simply we will insert a citation and the references tab in the citation and bibliography group. We will click on insert citation button. Okay. So added the inserted HODMI citation to show page number 130 and to suppress the display of the author, year and title. Added the inserted HODMI citation to show page number 130. Okay, right click on this arrow. So we will click on edit citation. So pages is 130 and suspend the display of the author. So suppress the display of the author, year and year checkbox. So we will and title checkbox and click on OK button. So question is completed. The next question of this exam is that position the insertion point at the end of the document and insert a page break. Position the insertion point at the end of the document and insert a page break. So we will go to the insert tab. In the pages group, click on page break button. So insert a references bibliography. We will go to insert in references tab in the citation and bibliography group. We will click on insert, click on bibliography button. So we will insert the references bibliography. We will select references in the bibliography box. So select all of the text on the references page, including the references heading. Change the font to Times New Roman and change the font size to 12 point. Select the text on the references page, include the references headings, change the font to Times New Roman. We will go to the Home tab. So in the font group, go to the font style and we will select Times New Roman. So font size is 12 point. Set the line spacing of all the text on the references page including the references heading to double. Okay, line spacing. We will go to the home tab in the paragraph dialog box. We will go to the line spacing is double. So click on OK button. Change the font color of the references heading to black text 1 and center references. So change the font color of the references heading to black text 1 and center references. Okay, font color is black text 1 and go to the home tab in the paragraph group and we will center the alignment and question is done. Okay, insert a footnote after the period following the text virtual team environment at the end of the first paragraph on page 1. Type a virtual team does not meet in the same location. So insert a footnote after the period following text virtual team environment at the end of the first paragraph on page 1. Okay, here as you can see virtual team environment. Then we will insert a footnote. Where is virtual team? Okay, here is the virtual team environment. You can read this line. It is important to understand how or if they could be completed in a virtual team environment. So we will go to the references tab in the citation and bibliography group. Sorry. Okay, go to the references tab in the footnotes group. We will click on insert footnote button. So we'll insert a footnote, type a virtual team. A virtual team does not meet in the same location. In the same location, include the periods. So modify the footnote style to include a font size of 12 and font of Time New Roman. We will select this footnote and we will modify the footnote style. Right click on this footnote and then we will modify the footnote style to include a font size of 12, a font of Time New Roman. Okay, style is Time New Roman and size is, we will click on modify, size is 12 and style is Time New Roman. So click on OK button. So we will apply this style. Okay, question is completed. You can see I have done 3 questions of this simulation exam. So I am going to do question number 4 of this exam right now. Please focus on laptop screen and you can down your exam by watching this video. With the insertion point at the beginning of the document, select center alignment and change the font size to 16 point. Change the font color to black text 1. With the insertion point at the beginning of document, select center alignment. We will go to home tab in the paragraph group. We will apply center the alignment. In the paragraph group, go to the alignment button and we will apply center the alignment. So change the font size to 16. We will go to the home tab. In the font group, we will change the font size to 16 point. Click on font size button and we will select 16 point. So the font color to black text 1. So we will go to the home tab in the font group, click on font colors button and we will apply black text 1 font color. So press enter 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. So type virtual teams and press enter. Virtual team and press enter. So select virtual team on the cover page. On the home tab in the font group, click change case and then from the list click uppercase. Okay, select virtual team on the cover page. Simply we will select this virtual team. So on the home tab in the font group, click change case and then from the list uppercase. Okay, from home tab in the font group, click change case and then from the list, so click uppercase. So question is completed now. So you can see I have just show you 4 questions in my video, but I have done this complete exam for my student. So I will upload, so I will submit this exam and I will show my grade which I have got in this exam. If you need help in this exam and if you want to read for this complete MyLab IT course, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I will do your all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint and all Microsoft Access. You will be free from this course. I will handle your complete course. I will do each and everything which is given in this course, and I am also handling other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, MyLab Math, Macroeconomics, Statics courses.